This recording will cause a deep sense of relaxation and trance. Do not listen to this recording whilst driving or whilst operating heavy machinery. Now, I'd like you to start off with your eyes open. Just find a spot on the wall or the ceiling. It could be the point where the wall meets the ceiling. And just allow your eyes to fix on that point. I know you want to go into trance, but not yet. I'd like you to just keep focusing on that point. And think about the things that you want to achieve. The more you listen to this recording, the more you're going to be able to picture yourself the way you want to be. And the more you picture yourself the way you want to be, the more you're going to form those neural pathways in your brain. And when you're thinking about the way you want to be, I want you to think about it in the positive. For example, if you want to feel less anxious, you don't tell your mind that you want to feel less anxious. You tell your mind that you want to feel more confident. If you want to feel less depressed, you don't tell your mind that you want to feel less depressed. You tell your mind that you want to feel happy. If you want to feel less angry, you focus on the opposite of angry. That could be calm. So just continue focusing on that spot. You may start to notice that those eyelids are beginning to get heavy. When you notice that, you can allow those eyes to close, as if all by themselves, but not yet. Just keep focusing on that spot and noticing those eyelids becoming heavier and heavier. And at some point you may notice yourself wanting to blink. And you can wonder if that blink was slower than the previous blink. As those eyelids get heavier and heavier, you can really begin to experience desire to go into hypnosis, a place where positive change can occur, a place where you can visualize yourself achieving your goals, seeing yourself the way you want to be. And I don't know at what point you're going to notice that hypnosis forming. You may notice yourself quickly relaxing and dropping into hypnosis rapidly. You don't need to keep track of anything that is happening Just listening to the sound of my voice. Any other sound you hear can allow you to relax even more. And in a moment, I'd like you to start counting backwards in your mind. Counting backwards from 300. And with each number you count, I'd like you to imagine that relaxation doubling. Could be almost as though there's a tiny voice in the back of your head telling you to just relax, relax, relax. So start counting now. 300. Relax, relax, relax. 290. Drifting deeper and deeper. 298. And at some point you're going to notice that those numbers have completely and totally relaxed out of your mind. And when that happens, you can allow yourself to completely let go. Maybe you can feel that relaxation flowing down your body, all the way down, from the top of your head to the very tips of your toes, like a wave. Maybe you can notice one part of you is more relaxed than the other part. Maybe you can imagine that relaxation spreading out from that, increasing as it spreads all the way through your body, down your arms, into your hands, down your legs, into your feet, allowing you to feel completely calm, completely at ease. I wonder if you can imagine yourself drifting up out of your body and looking back at that version of you sitting there in that chair, relaxing completely and totally, letting go, and just drifting, dreaming, and your conscious mind needn't mind as your unconscious becomes more aware, begins to take control, because your unconscious knows exactly how much to let go. It knows how much to hang on and how much to let go. So you can ask your unconscious to delete any programming that may have been holding you back, that may have been stopping you achieving your goals. You can ask it to let go of anything that could be standing in your way. And as you do this, maybe you can get a sense that unconscious working for you to to let go of those old patterns, those old beliefs, those old thoughts, to release anything that may be keeping you stuck. And as it does that, maybe you can get a sign. It could be a twitch of finger, thumb. It could be a twitch of one of the muscles, arms, leg, and your heartbeat is slowing down as your breathing becomes deeper and deeper, taking you to that place, calm, relaxation, place of comfort. Maybe you can imagine yourself relaxing on a beach somewhere. Maybe you can remember the most relaxed you've ever been. So you just get in touch with that unconscious part of you. And drifting through space, time. I wonder if you can see yourself at some point in the future, maybe a week from now, standing confident, feeling calm, feeling happy, feeling good in every way, en route to achieving your goals. Maybe you can connect with a future version of you. See through their eyes, feel what they feel, hear what they hear. Who will you be with? Where will you be? What steps will you have taken towards achieving that goal? What positive changes will you already have made in your life? And then once again, drifting through space, time, connecting with a version of you even more successful, even happier. And it is the nature of your unconscious mind to be successful, to keep you on track. When you were a baby and you were learning to walk, your unconscious mind didn't give up. It kept going until you were able to take those first steps. Your muscles became stronger. So by believing in the powerful unconscious part of you, you will be successful. You will reach those goals. You connect with a future version, maybe a month from now. Maybe you can imagine yourself drifting down into that body, that version of you, seeing through their eyes, feeling what you feel, hearing what you hear, noticing what you notice. How much further are you towards achieving those goals? And then there'll come a point sometime in the future, a point where you've reached those goals, where you've achieved what you wanted to achieve. You can allow yourself to connect with that version of you. See through your eyes, feel what you feel, hear what you hear, feeling calm, happier, more confident. What will you have? Who will you be with? How will it feel? Really connect with that future version. Really allow yourself to experience that success. Feelings of joy, happiness. Maybe you can imagine yourself smiling, knowing that you've achieved those goals. Maybe you can feel yourself, that smile forming on your face, either then, now. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I reach the number 5, you can allow your eyes to open and come back to the present, noticing how good you feel. 1, maybe feeling sensations coming back into your feet. Maybe you'd like to wiggle your toes. 2, as that energy rises up your legs into your body. 3, down your arms and into your hands. Maybe you'd like to wiggle those fingers. 4, and on the next number you can open your eyes, come back to the present. Maybe you'd like to stretch and yawn. 5, eyes open, wide awake.